Alright guys, for this video this week for our YouTube tips series, I just figured I would take you along for the ride as I create a YouTube video here so you can kind of see what my process is, what it's like, and how long it actually takes. I mean, it's quite a bit of time. So already today I've got the idea, I know what I'm going to film for today, and the next step I needed to kind of create my folders and get my computer set up with the files that I want to use, and kind of get all that organized before I even come down here into the studio to get all set up to try and record some videos. And today is Tuesday, and the video I'm going to be working on today is going to be for Thursday. So I've got to film it, I've got to edit it, got to post it, got to do all the back end stuff on YouTube. And a lot of times this is how it kind of works out for me, because I just don't have a ton of time to sit and get stuff like way ahead, you know. So just take you along for the little ride here and let you guys see what it's like. So also just to show you, getting my studio kind of set up down here. I mean, I'm in my basement, got blankets hanging all over the place, so that way, you know, kind of kill a little bit of the ambient noise I got going on. I have to turn off the air conditioning because that makes too much noise down here. I have to turn off the dehumidifier because that makes noise. Make sure I'm not doing wash because that's right over there on the other side of the curtain there. So getting set up, I got to bring down my computer here. Got to get the microphone set up. Kind of set everything up as I go. Gonna use this camera over there, so I got a GoPro mounted up over there. We're gonna be just doing a little time lapse here so you can see what it looks like as I film, and then yeah, I'll get back into letting you know what I'm gonna do next after we film the video. So let's get into filming this week's video. Another important part of the studio, gotta have my coffee, right? Got my merch cup here, so if you're interested in helping support the channel, check out the links down below and get yourself a cool cup here. Fortunately, it doesn't come with coffee, but should, right? I should come home with some coffee. That'd be cool. Love me some coffee. All right, let's get this guy set up so we can get filming here. Alright, so you guys should have seen a little time lapse there of me filming the video that I just put out recently, so I'll link to that in this video, so you can go check that out if you want to see what the final video looked like. So one of the things of being a YouTuber is sometimes you run into some problems, right? So I was recording, and towards the end of my video, because it took me, I don't know, it would take me like 35 minutes to get through the video. I don't know, you probably can't tell in the time lapse there, but lots of mess ups, do it over, and you know, that's just the way it goes. So I'm actually going to download all my stuff from my card now, make sure it all looks good before I tear everything down, and move my computer and stuff back upstairs to go finish up the video and stuff. But then check it out, because what happened was, while I was recording towards the end of the video, trying to do a little, you know, closing stuff, talking to this camera, the video shut off on me, the camera shut off, and I didn't realize that it wasn't recording. So not the first time, doesn't happen often, but sometimes it does happen. One thing that's nice is I have an old iPhone that I use as an external monitor, so that most of the time I know when the camera's filming. I can make sure I'm in focus. I'm working on a Canon 5D Mark IV here, so there's Wi-Fi between the camera and my phone, which is pretty sweet. So if I need to adjust settings, I don't have to get up and walk back and forth. I can just do it right through the app, and it works out really well for me. But on my old phone, I do have to have it plugged in because it does chew down the batteries pretty quick. But at least I've got a screen on it, because there's no flip-out screen here on the 5D Mark IV. So, you know, all part of being a YouTuber here. Sometimes things stop working, and you got to do it and redo it. And in fact, I've even filmed entire videos, and then I'm like, you know what? This sucks. Trash it. Do it again. Wait till the next day. Do it again. Because sometimes if you're just not feeling it, you just can't. It's hard to get for the camera if you're not feeling it, you know? So, yeah, it's just the way it goes sometimes. So now I got my screen recording here, and the way I really make my videos is I'll record the screen, record on here. I record some good audio on there to a microphone over here, just to be able to sync things up between this microphone right here, which is my Blue Yeti, which is the one that sounds the best. I record the Blue Yeti directly in the computer. I just record some audio on here so I can sync it up in DaVinci Resolve. Makes it real easy. And yeah, now I'm coming into ScreenFlow here, and I'm going to export the entire track so that I can sync it up with my video. And then I'll go through, make my edits to the screen capture portion of it right here in ScreenFlow, because I've got some great tools. It's quick, it's easy. Then I'll export that, bring it into DaVinci Resolve, and then I'll edit together the 5D Mark IV footage, the intro, the outro, any in-between points. I'll do that, and then bring in this video from ScreenFlow, dump that in for, you know, the meat in the middle there. And that's kind of how I start to put things together. So I think I'm going to take a little break because my daughter wants to go play a little Mario Kart. So I got to go win. I know she's 5. I should let her win. Should I let her win? Maybe I'll let her win once. You know, it's like 4 rounds. I'll let her win once, but, you know, still got to win too, right? Anyway, I'm going to go do that, and then when I get to the next step, I'll bring you guys on back. Just got done with a little Mario Karting, and I did have to let her win. I let her win all 4 rounds. It's the right thing to do, right? It's the right thing to do. All right, anyway, now I got to get back to some work, so back to work we go. All right, so there we go. Got to call it quits for now. It's 5 o'clock. Got to go upstairs and make some dinner. But first start of the video, we got it filmed. We are starting to edit it here and try and finish the edit between tonight and tomorrow, so that way I can export it and get ready to upload it to YouTube. So that's it for now, and we'll be back when we start going again. All right, so like you saw before, I had to quickly make some dinner, and now it is almost 8:30. Got the kids to bed. My wife's on a call she's got tonight for work, so down here going to try and edit this video a little bit more and try to get as close to done as I can, and then get back at it in the morning a little bit and try and wrap it up then. So this is kind of what it's like by me. Lots of distractions. You haven't seen it, but you know, kids running in and out. Got to go help them out, go play with them for a little bit, do some stuff with them, and then, you know, try and fit the videos in between. So that's kind of what it's looking like now. So back to work we go. All right, 9:30, gonna wrap it up for tonight and get back at it tomorrow. So see you tomorrow. All right, rise and shine. We're back here. It's I don't know, 7:30 or something like that. Gonna get back to editing a little bit here. Got some time, so we're gonna go ahead and get started doing a little more editing. Still working on this video here. It's like 10:30 in the morning here. Had a little call with Apple this morning, get set up with the Apple business stuff. That's pretty sweet. Thanks to Apple for reaching out to me for that. Pretty cool. So now I got most of the video edited together here, and the next step is to go through, find a little music I want to use from Artlist and throw that underneath parts of me talking. So that's where we're heading to next. A little music. Then we'll go throw in some transitions, and then I think we'll be pretty close to done. We can go export it and watch it, see how it looks. So let's get back to it here. Always lots to do in these videos. Lots to do. Lots of little steps. Just takes time. A lot of time. All right, so let's get back to it here. All right, music is good. Now we're doing a quick color grade, a little adjustment layer on top of any of the parts of me and this setup over here. Gonna do a little color grade, threw on some transitions, and we're just about ready to export it out and watch it, make sure it looks pretty good. So that's about it. We're gonna finish this up and try and get her done here. All right, so that's it. We got the color grade done here. Video's done. It ended up being a lot longer than I originally anticipated. This video about sound effects. And sometimes that happens. You know what? I just try to give you guys the most value that I can. So if I come up with more tips, or the video ends up being, you know, 15, 20 minutes instead of, you know, 5, 8, or 10 minutes, then that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try and give you guys as much value as I can. So this video's looking pretty good. Just playing it through once, checking the loudness here real quick. But once the loudness looks good, then that's it. I'm going to be done. I'm going to export this out, and I'll watch it through once, load it up to YouTube, and then we'll start all the YouTube backend stuff, and I'll show you some of that. So that's it for now, and we'll be back later. All right, so we finished up the video, went ahead, exported it. Now I'm going to sit here and watch it, make sure everything looks pretty good, make sure there's no you know, big mistakes or things that don't sound good or out of whack or something like that. So that's the next step. We're going to watch it, make sure it looks good, and then we'll go ahead and upload it on up to YouTube. And try and get something that I thought looked kind of cool, and something that I kind of like. So I would say that first. All right, so while I was watching through it, I did notice there's a little part right in the beginning where the music kind of sounded a little funky. I don't know what's going on with it. When I'm looking back here in the Fairlight tab, seems to be all right, but I'm checking it out again just because it sounded a little wonky, so we want to try and fix that. So I'm going to try and fix that, and then I'm going to export again, take another hour, and should be good to go. We'll go ahead and upload to YouTube and get started on the back end stuff up on YouTube. So that's it, continuing with the process. All right, what's going on, guys? Back here in the morning, got up early today, like around 6, and went through, did all the back-end SEO stuff on the YouTube video here. Uploaded it yesterday so that it was good to go, because it takes time for it to not only upload, but also process the HD version. So uploaded it yesterday, did the back-end stuff, did the keyword research and all that this morning, came up with a thumbnail, And now I'm just gonna finish up the description because I had gone through, and if we take a look at the screen here, I put in markers. So I like to use those markers to mark out points in the video where I'm gonna put in titles or places that you can jump to. So you put the little number in the description of, 2 minutes and 30 seconds in your video, put a title, and then not only do you have it as a point to jump to in your description, but you can also look at that bottom little progress bar on YouTube, and when you see people have like chapters almost that you can click ahead to, well, that's how you do that. And I'll probably use that as a quick tip Tuesday tip one day. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead, list out all my little chapters here, get that done, and then I think we're gonna be good to go. It's all scheduled and should be ready for release at 11 a.m. today. So that's what we're up to, and we're gonna go ahead and finish it up. All right, what's happening? So we got the video uploaded onto YouTube, did all the back-end SEO stuff, got that squared away. Also uploaded it to my website, to my blog. I put it there too, with all the same information, and it just gives people, another way to find my stuff. The more places you got it, the better. So now just wait till it goes live at 11. I'll watch for any comments that you guys might have. Once it does go live, I'll make just a quick little video on my phone to post in YouTube for the post that you can put up there, just to help more people see it. Also put the thumbnail over on my Instagram, put it there. I don't know how many people come from Instagram, but it's worth a shot to throw it on over there too, and hopefully get some more people seeing the video. So that's about it for how I put together a YouTube video, what it takes, what I got to do to get it uploaded, and it's pretty much every week I do that, With the Quick Tip Tuesday videos, I'll usually try and film a whole bunch of those, batch them together, film maybe a month or 2 months worth if I can, because they're pretty quick and easy to film, and they're a lot quicker to edit. This video that I'm putting out today ended up being about 20 minutes, which is long, but I think it had a lot of value in it, and I don't like to leave stuff out if I could put it in there and really help you guys out more with whatever the subject is. So, so that wraps it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed just seeing my process and kind of how long it takes me to throw together some of these YouTube videos, but generally you get the idea of how it goes. So it takes a lot of hard work and a lot of time, but I think it's worth it. I do this because I want to help you guys out there, and I want to give back to YouTube because so many people have helped me on YouTube. So the least I could do is give back a little bit, and enjoy making videos, and I can help people. So that's why I do it. So I want to thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.